Hey guys, today we're talking about how you can upload your first product to Amazon real fast. Keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Farah, I'm an Amazon seller. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe and like this video. So let's start. This is the add products page. You can also get to it from the inventory section. So, okay, I'm adding a product that's not sold on Amazon already. So we are going to select the browse node. The browse node is basically usually a number, but here Amazon has made it visual on there in the Seller Central. So you will just select that. So my product is a women's scarf, so I've selected the department women. Then it's an accessory. You just need to find what select the categories that you think is relevant to your product. So mine is scarves and wraps, and then I will select scarves in this as a final category where the product will sit in, and this gives you a browse node. Okay, here we are. So this is the browse node that's made, and the first tab is the vital info, and that's the EN number, which is a 13-digit number EN that you need to add, which you can get from GS1. So if you just go to the GS1's website, and for selling on Amazon, they have a dedicated page and it has all the information. So you just need, if you are planning to have a big catalog and there's going to be loads of product, for example, that's the case with me. So it's worth for me to have a membership with this GS1, and I get all my barcodes for all sorts of products that I list on Amazon. If you just click here, they will just calculate the membership fee for you based on your industry and your company information. If you don't want to do that and you're just starting out and just need a handful of barcodes, then you can just buy individual barcodes from websites like this. So this is a UK based website, Barcode One, and they provide barcodes for Amazon UK.com Australia. Basically, you will get it by email, and this is their pricing structure. For 1 or 2 barcodes, it'll be £20 each. It'll be cheaper for you to buy at least 100 barcodes in one go, and they'll be £6 each. So it'll be just like one-time setup cost for you. To the listing now. So I will copy my barcode in here in just a second. But first, we need to add the product name, brand name, the color map. So this is the brand name that I have added in, Iris Silk Scarf. Then I'm going to add the Swanky Swans brand name here. So that was a product name. This is a brand name. Then this is all essential information, the one with asterisk. So you just add the color map that's relevant to your product. I actually want it to appear for red color because it's multicolored. You can select any color, and the size map, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just add the information that Amazon is asking you, and it's in highlighting as red. So I will add the material composition in. It is 40% silk and 60% viscose. So add that in. The outer material is silk. Obviously, in case of a scarf, there is no outer inner. There is the material base, but you just need to add the information as they're needed for their system. Department is women. It is not an adult product, so so that's vital info done. If you don't know what to sell on Amazon, the products are all around you. Click on this video and watch where I take you shopping with me and we find some cool products to sell on Amazon. We're just going to add this EN number in from GS1. This whole section is complete now. We are going to the variations tab now. This basically means that if your product comes in different colors and sizes, then you will select this. So medium, small or large, or if it was like black and white color or purple, then you will select one of these options. But we're just creating a simple listing, so that's what we're going to do. And now I'm going to add the product SKU, which is basically product number, like it's internal, the customer won't see this. Yeah, and the condition is new. Set your price here. I will set the price as $14.99, and let's just set the quantity as 1, and I will ship the order myself. If you were doing FBA, you will select the FBA option. Now here in images, you need to make sure that you're following Amazon's guidelines. The image background needs to be 100% white. Let's add this in. You can add up to 8 images here. Now this is the basic skeleton view. If you click on the advanced view, there is a lot more information you need to add, like description and stuff. You can save it as this and add that later, but I'm just going to show you right now all the additional stuff that you need to add. So there's compliance. All this stuff is related to really electronics and, you know, things that need batteries, toys, etc. So that's not relevant to us, so we'll leave it blank. Description, that's important. This needs to be SEO rich for even Amazon's algorithm and product page display. So for now, I'm just going to add a basic description in. You should really research this, but for now I'm just adding in just to show you as an example. Now, key product features are bullet points that appear next to your product image. You can add up to 5. I think there's a word limit in each tab, but I think it's roughly about 200 characters you can add. And keywords, again, there is a word limit on this. You can add up to 200 characters or something in here. I think it's up to 200 or 250, I'm not sure. But all the keywords you want to rank your scarf for, or your any product for, that's where you'll add it. So I want to add silk scarf for women. Watch this video to learn how you can find really awesome keywords which will totally optimize your listing and make it SEO rich for Amazon and Google. So make sure you watch this video and learn how to do it. I talk about this whole process in depth in here. Scarf for women, silk scarf, mask. And I will just add a few more in. There's no point in adding brand names or, you know, irrelevant things in here because that's just taking up space, your word count. Just be very, very specific here. And this section, last one, is just additional information. You can add package weight here. So I'm just adding in grams, how much the product weigh and how much will be the shipping weight, the material type again. Like, you can add as much information as you need to, or you can add season and collection year here. So I will just add autumn winter 2020. Save and finish. This is done. It'll take at least a couple of minutes, at least 15-20 minutes for it to start appearing in your inventory, and you'll see it in manage inventory section. So this is it. This is the listing that's been created. As you can see, it's very skeletal, basic listing. So there you go, the listing is created. We added all the information that was essential and vital, add the product to Amazon's catalog. As I just showed you, it looks a bit skeletal. It needs all the 5 to 6 images with graphics. You saw the helium 10 evaluation as 4 point something on it, so it's not fully optimized. So in my next video, I will show you how you can create a really optimized and beautiful graphics for your Amazon product page using Canva. And it's going to look totally different. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post the next video so you don't miss out. I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you next time. Bye.